Hello and welcome to Utopia. Today I'm going to talk about my issues with my BS3 Royal Enfield Himalayan. Having owned this bike for just shy of 2 years and travelled over 25,000 Ks, I've been through my fair share of issues. Let's start with the minor issues. First minor issue encountered was it stalling when coming to any stop. Second minor issue has been bolts vibrating free. And my third minor issue was the center stand weld breaking. Now let's see what major issues it's had. First major issue was the speedometer malfunctioning. Second major issue was the failed stator coil. Third major issue was a nut in the clutch hub becoming loose, preventing full engagement. Now let's look at issues I've caused. Now that just about covers all the issues with my Royal Enfield Himalayan BS3.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button. And why not subscribe?